Okay, I have another lock from Crispey Bear. It's a, what is this thing? Okay, it's a UAP. So, this is the right guard UAP underarm protection from Crispey Bear. The lock does work very smooth. He has a standard and modded portion of this lock. We're going to go ahead and do the modded. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, bottom of the keyway. Let's use a sparrow's pick. Let's use light tension. Let's start at the front, just work our way to the back. Feel the pins as we go. Alright, there's pin 6. A little bit of turn on the plug on pin 6. Pin 5. A little bit on pin 3. Pin 2. Pin 1, give us a little bit of turn on the plug, and there we are, open. Okay, we've got a key, so if we lock it up, we can still open it back up, but let's see if we can figure out a way to get this clip off. Okay, the modded side is what's open, so see if we can got room in here to get this clip off somehow. It's not going to work. Okay, let's go ahead and lock it back up till we get the clip off. Okay, that wasn't quite as bad as I thought it was going to be. Or did I pull the clip off the wrong end? No, I got the right end. Okay, this is going to be another problem. Let's turn it all the way around. Alright, boys and girls, we messed up on this, so we're just going to have to pull this out and dump the pins out the back because we cannot get the key out to put the follower in. Sorry about that. So let's go with see if we can do this. May not be able to. Okay, there's pin number 6. Looks like a T-pin, so we probably got a wafer in the plug. Okay, there's pin number 5. Okay, there's the wafer come out. Pin number 4. see, better get the camera down where we can see everything. Alright, we've got the okay, it has all the pins in it and they are working. So let's dump these out. On the next one I will take the clip off before I start so we don't mess this up again. Alright, let's look at the okay, all chambers are threaded except for number 2. So we do have threaded chambers except for number 2. Alright, let's take a close look at the pins now. Okay, these last two I may have got out of position, so anyway, we'll look at them anyway. Okay, this is a serrated key pin, another serrated key pin. This is a acetype pin. This is another spool, serrated spool type pin on 1 and 2. Okay, 3 and 4 serrated key pins, a standard pin, another serrated type spool. 5 and 6 is serrated key pins and a acetype pin on the top, and on this one is a serrated key pin with a wafer, serrated key pin on number 6. Okay, that's what we have in this UAP lock today. Even though I messed up on the gutting a little bit, we'll try to make it better next time. Okay, I appreciate it, Crispey Bear, for this lock. Thank everyone for watching. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.